Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Simpler Stocks free video for June 24th, 2016. This is the Brexit edition. We had the vote tonight. It's about 1 minute after the close. I actually got on for a half an hour and us discussed some strategies that we could try to figure out in here. Basically, you have the market closing on its high, up 28 points. NASDAQ up 64, Russell up 25, bonds down almost 2 points. Gold getting trashed on the close, down 11, and crude oil down 94 cents. So what you're getting in here, crude oil up 94 cents. Basically what you're getting in here is everybody thinking they know what's going to happen with this Brexit. And the whole idea is if the Brexit polls come out and there's a Bremain, so they stay in, the whole idea then you're going to have to try to figure is, does that mean the market goes up or down? I mean, we've already gone up now. Now, one of the things that's really important in here, we can look at all these charts in here and we can try to figure which way, the market might go in here.
Where to get out?
Give me a second. Yahoo went on. I tried to do a Yahoo blog about Brexit. But the whole idea in here is look at the expected move. This started at 31 today. It's now 36. The futures closed on their high. It narrowed a bit. But it's just really unbelievable how wide that's gone. So the whole idea I look at in here is that, the biggest thing is not a disappointment, but if the vote comes too close to call and it's a slightly, they stay in, are they allowed to have another referendum? I actually don't know the answer for that. So, very interesting in here. But big thing I think you should notice in here. One, SPX near an all-time high. It's not like people are real scared about what might happen. So, definitely keep that in mind. Second thing in here I want you to realize is bullish and bearish on stock twits. Now, you might laugh at me tomorrow if we go up another 5 million points. But when you go to the sentiment on stock twits, the one I watch the most is the SPY. And when I see that, you have all these, the ESs, SPY, SPX. The one that has by far the most message volume, 12,000 today actually, is the SPY. Now, I look at sentiment, and sentiment is based on an algorithm that determines bullish or bearish on the stream. If you see the sentiment is 53% bullish. This is the most bullish I've seen it in years. Usually it's always bearish. Now, to give you an idea, that day, May 19th, it was 75% bearish. Check where the SPX was on May 19th. Right there. Right there. That was the low right there. So I'm not saying this is the top whatever. I'm just saying be careful in this area. So what I do is I spend hours trying to game the system, trying to find if there's something with the option activity or something that can give me an idea. And I have not found it yet of anything that's given me a tell one way or the other. So what I'm doing is just waiting till tomorrow. The thing is, in the Russell, there are a lot of stocks that need to be rebalanced that everybody was scared to rebalance beforehand. Usually a lot of things get tallied beforehand the whole week. This time there's going to be a tremendous amount of volatility tomorrow where you'll be able to make a lot of money as long as you come in flat. So definitely keep that in mind in there. So that's what I'm going to be watching. We're going to be on from 9 to 10 in the morning just going over everything and trying to get some ideas. So like on our, like I said, we did this yesterday, is we were going over all kinds of scenarios. Now, in your $7 trial, if you do it, that you get for 30 days, you get the chat room where I'm on a half hour before the opening, a half hour while we trade. Today, we did some really good trades. We did a short and PSA was good for 2.5 points. So that was very exciting in there. Premium videos are a lot more intense than this. You get the email alerts where I send out unusual option activity, chart ideas, and index ideas. I'm actually not going to send any index and chart ideas tonight. I'm going to wait till first thing in the morning. The forum is like a message board type of format where we can exchange ideas back and forth. We do a meetup. Like I said, I did one yesterday, the last hour of trading, where we talked about correlations. Now, all those meetups then go into this. Press meetup in here and it goes into your on-demand classes. As long as you're a subscriber, you get all these. They're almost all an hour long. Other sites charge about $99 for each one of these. In your subscription, you get all those for free. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll fasten our seatbelts and see what happens tomorrow. Everybody take care.